What if one outfit could instantly make you look more elegant, more confident, and more effortlessly luxurious? Today's modern Western fashion is no longer about wearing loud or uncomfortable clothing. Real luxury is now about movement, confidence, simplicity, and feminine elegance. And one fashion piece that is dominating luxury styling across the USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Europe, Switzerland, and UAE right now is the modern luxury skirt. Luxury skirts have completely transformed modern women's fashion. Why? Because they create a perfect balance between sophistication and comfort. A premium skirt can instantly upgrade your entire appearance without making your outfit feel too heavy or too formal. That's why luxury fashion campaigns, Pinterest styling trends, European street fashion, and premium Western brands continue using skirts in almost every season. And the best part? They work beautifully for almost every lifestyle moment. You can style luxury skirts for cafe outings, shopping days, travel fashion, office styling, rooftop evenings, vacation looks, luxury dinner outfits, and even casual everyday elegance, one piece, endless fashion energy. Now let's talk about what separates luxury skirts from ordinary fast fashion styles. Premium skirts always focus on cleaner fabric movement, elegant body flow, balanced silhouette shaping, soft premium textures, and modern Western styling lines. The result feels polished, effortless, and visually expensive. And that's exactly what modern women love today. Not overstyled, not uncomfortable, not trying too hard, just naturally elegant confidence. Another reason skirts are becoming more powerful in Western fashion is versatility. You can pair them with fitted tops, oversized sweaters, cropped jackets, luxury blazers, heels, sneakers, boots, or even minimalist accessories, and every combination creates a completely different fashion mood. That's why luxury skirts continue trending across global fashion platforms. Because they adapt to every personality, soft feminine aesthetic, minimal classy fashion, clean streetwear energy, or luxury editorial styling, everything works beautifully. When women feel elegant and comfortable at the same time, their posture changes. Their presence becomes naturally attractive. That's the real secret behind luxury Western fashion. It's not about wearing the most expensive outfit, it's about wearing something that makes you feel powerful effortlessly. And luxury skirts do exactly that. If you love premium Western fashion and elegant outfit inspiration, make sure to like this video, share it with your fashion-loving friends, comment yes or no. Would you wear this luxury skirt style? And subscribe to the LipTique for more luxury women's fashion inspiration every week.